Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Magical Marksmen mystery pins. These were released back in July of 2025, and they are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs feature various Disney characters in front of a target. It's kind of hard to see the designs here. They have them wrapped around the top of the box here. So the pin designs that we can get are Gonzo, Mickey Mouse, Hercules, Merida, Genie, Robin Hood, Mulan, and Flit. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 12 pins total. And I probably should say I have 2 boxes to open up and 4 smashed boxes to open up. So I ordered these 2 boxes last year from the Disney store, and they arrived just fine. I just never got around to opening them up. And then they got them back in stock recently. So I got these 4 boxes also from the Disney store, but they shipped them in like a padded envelope, and they just got smashed in the mail. Like this one's already opened up. This one's coming open. So we're going to start with the one that's already opened up here. And this collection is pretty cool. The ones that I want the most though are the Mickey Mouse one and Robin Hood. So those are the ones that I'm really looking for. I could probably pass on a lot of the other ones, but you know, I always like to try to complete collections, especially if my first unboxing gets me close. All right, well, let's see what we have here. These feel like they're decent size. Let's see what we get for pin 1. I'm not sure if we can tell what they are from the back, but this first one is, hey, it's Mickey Mouse. Awesome. So we have kind of a green background. We do have the target, and we have Mickey, and he's, is he like a Three Musketeer kind of guy here? I forget what cartoon this one's from. And then he has his sword right through the target. That is cool. I like that one. All right, so I got one of the ones I wanted. Hey, maybe this will be Robin Hood. And then we'll be done. Let's see. This one has a little thing sticking out of the side. Trying to remember the designs. I can't think of what that one might be. And it is Flit. So we have Flit, who's the bird from Pocahontas, and he's jabbed right into the center of the target. You got a bullseye. All right. So we started off good there, and this one that's already open, so we'll just use this one. Okay, let's get to pin 3, and we have, I can't tell from the back, it does look different. It has less things sticking out of the side than Mickey. Let's see, it is Hercules. So we have Hercules, and he has his shield with a bunch of arrows in the shield, and we have a blue target in the background. I think that's when he's training, because I think he has one of like the training dolls in his arm there. Very cool. And what do we get with Hercules? We get, I think, also a different one. This one has something sticking out of the top. And this one is Robin Hood. Nice. So we have Robin Hood in front of a red, white, and blue target. And he has his bow and arrow there. Very cool. Got the hat and the feather. Like that one. It's kind of cool that all the targets are different types of targets, or at least different colors, because I could kind of picture them just having a character in front of the same target on all 8. So it's nice that they didn't do that. So we have a little bit of difference to all the pins. All right, so I am on box 3, and we are already halfway done with this collection. Let's see. Now this one from the back, I can tell it is a double. We have another Robin Hood. So I can see the top of the bow on the top. So we do have that. And will this be a duplicate box? Let's see. Will this be Hercules? I'm looking at the back, and it is not. This is a new one. I don't think we have things that stick out on those sides. And this one is Gonzo. Very cool. I like that one too. So we have Gonzo, and he is coming through the target. He broke through the target. Looks like he's got thumbs up. That one is cool. And this is a red and kind of an off-white target. All right. Box 4. Get our 2 pins out. Okay, we only need 3 more. See if we can get them here. And this one does look different. And this one is Mulan. So we have Mulan. Oh, Mushu's in there too. Oh, okay, cool. This is the one where we have where Mushu is putting the apple on the arrow before she shoots it. It's great. It's good thinking there, Mushu. And this has an orange and green target in the background. That's cool. I like that one. I didn't know Mushu was on that pin from the designs. All right. Let's see what we get in this one. We have, this one also looks different. Things are coming out of both edges here. And this one is Genie. So we have Genie, and this target is a red and blue target, and Genie has his head sticking through the target. He's got his hands on the outside of the target. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, we have, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're only missing 1. I have 2 boxes to go. Which one are we missing? Merida. And these are the boxes that came from the Disney store from last year. So let's see if we can get some luck from a year ago. See if we can get Merida. Complete a collection in an unboxing? Could it happen? Who knows? Well, okay, looking at the back of this one, I see a lot of like jagged edge on the one side of the pin, which I think could be Merida's hair. Right? Right? Is it? Is it? Can you see it? It is! Yes! We did it! So we have Merida, and she has green background, and the target's actually out there on a stand. And that was her hair that I did see coming out of that right side of the pin or left side of the pin. And then she has her bow. So there we go. I completed a collection in one unboxing. I still have a box left. How about that? Right? Yeah, 8. I'm like not believing it, right? Do I have to count again? 8? No, we're good. All right, well, let's open this one. And this one is another Mulan. So we have another Mulan. And then now the question is, I completed the collection. Do I open this? Do I open? Maybe I can open this on Instagram? I don't know. Do I want to open it? I mean, I don't need to. We're going to see all the pins. So I'm going to save that. Let's do that. I'm going to save that, and then I'll open that on a little Instagram video because it'll be 2 pins, and that'll be perfect. So there we go. A completed collection in one unboxing. So it does happen, just not very often. So that was the complete Disney Magical Marksmen mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of this collection. Ooh, I get to say different things because I got them all. This is a hard one for me, picking a favorite, because there are 3 here that I love. I really love the Robin Hood one, the Mulan one, and the Mickey Mouse one. But I think my favorite one has to be Mickey Mouse. I love the Mickey Three Musketeer one there. So I think that one's great. It's really close with the Mulan one because I love how Mushu is loading the apple on the arrow. So this was a great unboxing, like an excellent unboxing. Basically as good as you can get, right? Well, almost as good as you can get. I guess as good as you could get would be buying 4 boxes and then you complete it. But this one took me 5 boxes, and I did buy a 6th box, but didn't even need to open it. So got all of the pins, so I don't need to sit here and say, which ones do I still need? Nope, because I got them all. Yes. So that is awesome. I wish they could all go this good, because then I complete a collection. You get to see every single pin in this collection, so it just works out great. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.